Right click on this PC, click on manage, double click storage, double click disk management. Select the partition that you want to extract data from. In my case, I'm gonna extract 10 gigabytes from the C drive. Total data I have here, 16 gigabytes. Right click and shrink value. By the way, Windows 10, Windows 11 using the same concept, the same option to create a new partition. Keep in mind, 1 gigabyte equal 1024 megabyte. You can see the only available storage here, I have 24,056, which means 24,056 divided by 1024 almost equal 23 gigabytes. For example, at the moment, as I mentioned before, I wanted to create a new partition using 10 gigabytes only, no more. But first of all, keep in mind 1 gigabyte equal 1024 megabytes. So we're gonna multiply 10 gigabytes by 1024 is almost equal 10,240. Click on shrink. Now it's processing and creating a new partition. Now it's unlocated. So to active the new storage that you created, right click and new symbol value. Next, 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 finish. Now it's sending us notification that we created a 10 gigabyte. Let's check it out. Now we have a 10 gigabyte partition. If you want to get everything back and delete the new partition that you made and get the whole storage as the same before, right click and we're gonna select delete value. Now it's warning us we're gonna lose the whole data. So it's crucial to know and it's crucial to move every data that you put or you have used to move it to another partition before deleting it. Yes, now it's unlocated again. And we're gonna go back to C drive, extend volume, next, 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 finish. And here is everything, we get everything back. Double click on this PC again.